I'm back, trig honors students, and this will be short and I trust scrumptiously sweet. I'm going to just do this one with you. This would be number 8, part B, and I'm going to go to a blank sheet so we can take a good look at it. Here it comes. 8B, we're looking for two angular positions for theta, where tan theta is equal to negative root 3. Again, tan is going to be negative in a couple places here. Tan is positive here where Christ is tainted, so that's where tan is positive. All of them are positive over here, so tan will be negative either here or here. So a reference angle has to have to be either in the second quadrant, I'm going to just take it all the way through, or the fourth quadrant. So that would be a righteous triangle being drawn there in the fourth and in the second, and the theta would be here. Remember now, always in reference to the x-axis. Okay, so it's just a matter of finding out the position where tan theta is root 3, negative root 3. So how do you do that? Well, on your unit circle, you have a place where your cosine is negative a half and your sine is negative root 3 over 2. There's an angular position for that, like that. So this, kind of like a radius of a circle, would represent this right here. You want it to be negative. Well, you know cosine will be negative in the second quadrant here. Because going back to all sins tainted Christ, we have all positive here, sine only positive here, tan positive here, cosine positive here. So getting back to here, we know cosine would be negative here and sine would be positive. So this is a good candidate, especially since we have the root 3 here and we have the negative 1/2 here. And now you know that the tan is equal to the sine over the cosine. Sine over cosine. So when you put the sine, which is the y coordinate, over the cosine, which is the x coordinate, you get root 3 over 2 divided by negative 1/2. So when you do root 3 over 2 times the reciprocal of this is going to be times negative 2 over 1. And the 2's will cancel. Let's just preserve the negative. And a negative times positive is going to give you the negative. That's negative root 3. So this is our proper position here. I know there's another one down here which is similar on the unit circle, and you can use the unit circle for this. This one is going to give you 1/2 there. It's going to give you a negative root 3 over 2. And again, root 3 over 2.5, they're like first cousins. They always go together. Okay, but this position will not do it, because when you do the sine, which is 1/2, over cosine, you're not going to get negative root 3. You're going to get something else. So you can try it if you like. This one will give you negative root 3 over 3 right here. So the first position is going to be right here. And that angular position, when you check it out carefully, is going to be 2/3 pi right here. 2/3 pi. And the other one, well, let's do it right here. This is the 2/3 pi. And the other one would be right down here, all the way around to here. And you're going to be looking for something similar over here, where you have your sine will be negative √3/2, and your cosine will be positive because it's the fourth quadrant, 1/2. So this is negative. Okay. So this angle, you can look at it for your unit circle. I think I'll allow you a unit circle for this one. But it's going to be very, very similar. It's going to be all the way around to here. And this will be your first one is 2/3 pi. So we have theta is 2/3 of pi. And this one all the way around will be pi, 2 pi all the way around minus 1/3 of pi. Because the reference angle here is going to be pi/3. So again, it'll be all the way around 2 pi minus pi/3. So this one also is pi/3. So if we work this out, you might have it right on your unit circle. You could work it out. Least common denominator would be 3. So times 3 times 3. This will be 6 pi minus pi/3. So this will work out to be 5 pi/3. So those are my two theta values. Theta is going to be 2/3 pi or 5 pi/3. All right, and since I ask you in radians, you can just give it in radians. Okay, I trust this helped. I'm sorry it didn't go a little bit smoother, but you can look at it again, and God bless you. Look forward to seeing you soon.